for a particle moving in a straight line is as shown in the figure. Determine the velocity of the particle at t equal to 1 second, t equal to 3 seconds, and t equal to 3 seconds. Instantaneous velocity at t equal to 1 second is concerned to which part of the graph here? Yes, OA graph. So, slope of OA graph. What is slope of OA graph? Positive slope or negative slope? This one? Positive slope. So line is in this direction, so it is positive slope. And opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side here? 10. And what is adjacent side? 2. So this is equal to 5 meters per second. Velocity is positive or not? Positive. So next one. V velocity when t equal to how much? T equal to 3 seconds. Is equal to how much? So V equal to 3 seconds. It corresponds to which part of graph here? From A to C, because this point A starts at t equal to 2 seconds and this point C ends at t equal to 5 seconds. So our 3 seconds is corresponding to this part of graph. So this is nothing but this is equal to slope of which graph? AC graph. That equal to how much? This line, this line is having positive slope or negative slope? Negative. What is your idea? Yeah, we were having one triangle, no problem. But now this graph it is having two triangles. In general, you can take any one this triangle or this triangle because the slope of this line is a constant from A to C. So you can choose this triangle or you can choose this triangle, no problem. But we don't know this value. Yeah, the value on this side. Yes, this value is also is minus 5. This is minus 5. Now you are in a dilemma. What is opposite side? Negative slope. So I am putting minus here. So minus, what is opposite side? 10. And what is adjacent side? 4 and 2. No? So this is 2. This is equal to minus 5 meter per second. Got it? లేదు ఇప్పుడు ఈ లైన్ ఉందనుకోండి ఈ లైన్లో మీరు ఏ ముక్క తీసుకున్న స్లోప్ కాన్స్టెంటే కదా ఏ పార్ట్ తీసుకున్న స్లోప్ కాన్స్టెంటే కదా సో యూ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్ పార్ట్ సో హౌ కెన్ యూ గెట్ స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ లైన్ opposite side by adjacent side. Clear? Switch on your mics, all of you. Right? Yes. So when you are doing with this first one, you didn't face any problem because yes, you are having a single triangle here. You can take slope equal to tan theta, therefore opposite side by adjacent side. But now when you are considering this AC part of line, you are in a dilemma because there are two triangles here. How to consider? Have we to consider this entire line or not? No need to consider entire line. Okay, in the given graph, we can consider any part because this is a straight line and throughout the straight line, the slope is constant. So we can consider any part of the straight line here. So we are convenient, we can take this one. So what is the slope of this part? This side by this side because we know this value, we know this value. And you can consider this one also. Suppose if this value is not given to us, okay, then we could not do this one. Since this value is given to us, we can consider this triangle also. What is slope of this one? This side by this side. What is this side? This side is 5 units and this side is, see, this one is 5, this one is 4. This side is, what is trigonometry? In trigonometry, it is nothing but it is the ratio of the lengths of sides of triangles. Is it not? So we are just considering only magnitude. So what is the magnitude of this one? 5 units. And what is the magnitude of this one? 1 unit. So opposite side is 5, adjacent side is 1. So 5 by 1 is 5 only. Again we will be getting same here. You can take this triangle or you can take this triangle. Any part of the line can be considered regarding which we are having information. మనకి ఏ పార్ట్ లో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉందో ఆ పార్ట్ తీసుకుంటే చాలు. ఓకేనా? So throughout this line the slope is constant here. Right, so it is minus 5 meters per second. That is velocity is negative. Velocity negative means what? Velocity positive means what? The particle is moving along x direction. Velocity is negative means what? It is moving along negative x direction. Clear? Right. So next one is, what is third one here? And t equal to 6 seconds. So v at a t equal to 6 seconds equal to how much? And this is equal to slope of t equal to 6 seconds. For which part of graph corresponds to CD part? Slope of CD graph. Is it not? Slope of, because 6 seconds it lies, it corresponds to CD graph, right? So what is slope of CD graph? Is it positive slope from C to D? It is positive or negative? Positive slope. I told you, no. In this direction it is positive. In this direction it is negative. Towards China it is positive. Towards Pakistan it is negative. If it is a northeast direction, just imagine it is positive. If it is in northwest direction, it is negative. In which direction this line is bent here? It is towards northeast. So it is positive slope. Got it?